welcome back to my channel. This is Crypto Mystery Cash, and this is my channel. This is a brand new channel, how to make money with crypto or make money online. So basically today I will talk about again about the Mind Lab. So I have basically made many videos. Maybe I have mentioned in my last 5 or 6 videos the project, but I will make a live withdrawal on this Bitcoin mining platform, and I will make a review just to know to let you know what is this company, this Bitcoin mining platform or company offers. So first, as you can see, they have the awesome ratings on Trustpilot, one of the most visited sites or platform for positive or negative experience from one crypto platform or earning platform, or never mind whatever is on internet. So if you see everything is on 5 stars, so if you want to check it. Basically many people have leave the reviews, but as you can see, there is no one negative review. There is all positive reviews. You can check also for this Bitcoin mining platform on many platforms, internet platforms who are tracking ratings of some platform. But let's go and make a withdrawal from this Bitcoin mining platform. So if you see they offer the 3% per day, so I think it's reasonable, and it's good because the platform is stable. So you have basically in your money in 2 days, 3 days back, and the rest 11 months it's a pure profit. Of course, when you buy a contract, is for 1 year. And let's go make a login to my profile. So try to make a live withdrawal, and just to show you how quick will be this live withdrawal, and the platform is stable after a month of use. So I think there exists more than a month, but this platform, as I can see, and my personal opinion, is very stable. They recently have launched their app, so that's mean they investing in the platform. And it's not just that. You can, if you're a user on the platform, you can see they constantly update the platform, the Bitcoin mining platform, with the new security measures. So I see that as a positive sign for some Bitcoin mining platform for investing. Of course, I will keep investing here, and you can start with just I don't know, $16 is I think the $8 is the minimum investing amount, but I'm not sure. I will go check after the withdrawal. But let's click. Let's make the request from this Bitcoin mining platform. As you can see, I immediately get it a transaction ID, and let's see what happened. So let's go to my dashboard. I will because the withdrawal is live from this Bitcoin mining platform. As you can see, the amount is disappear, but the withdrawal amount is appear here on my dashboard. So let's just make a screenshot from my live withdraw from this Bitcoin mining platform. And wait guys, I don't have a network, as you can see upstairs. Yes, let's post my screenshot. And yes, this is one. And yes, if you have a question, you can come to my Telegram group and you can ask me more if you want to know more about this Bitcoin mining platform. But I see this as a stable Bitcoin mining platform, and I recommend to everybody to come and invest and earn whatever they invest. So basically, there is a many platforms on internet, but not usually the platforms offer you not usually. I made the live withdraw, so let's see. For just to say this Bitcoin mining platform has a refund option. So if you don't like your earnings or your hash rate, how to tell, you just click your cancel your contract and you will be fully refunded. So I think they make this for in like an act of trust to show to investors that they are a serious companies, serious platform who offer mining to mine Bitcoin. And of course, investing here in this Bitcoin mining platform for also you can try to earn through the affiliate program. You can try to invite people, and if they invest, you will earn your 10% or 7%. I'm not sure. So, but that's another way. But I recommend to invest. So that's your decision, guys. But I see this platform as a very stable. I'm a user from the very beginning. So let's see how much I will wait for withdraw. So until then, as I said, they have the refund option, so not many platform offer you this. So I see that as a positive sign. And here is the awesome support team who is always here. And of course, you can find them on their Telegram group, and also the support team is there. If you have any technical problem, they will resolve in seconds. So I recommend this to everyone. Also, you can invest for instance in USDT, and if you or okay, I will. You can invest in from your balance account, from USDT, in Litecoin, in Ethereum, and also Bitcoin. They add this recently, so I first time see this, the Litecoin and the BNB. So, but if you invest the $16 in USDT, you keep the hash rate if the Bitcoin price goes up. So that means you keep the hash rate, so that's mean if the Bitcoin price goes up, you will earn much more than you expected. So the percentage from the 3%, it's not fixed. Maybe you will earn a little bit more. Of course, if the price of the Bitcoin goes down, you expect to, but I don't think so. He will fall from 25 and 500. So I think he will go up. So definitely I will recommend this Bitcoin mining platform to everybody. So let's go to my Trust wallet and see. But I forgot to say this. After the withdraw uh, request, immediately you get after you get a transaction ID, you will get an email from your transaction ID. But let's wait, because uh, let's see first in Trust wallet. Maybe the Bitcoin is already here, I don't know, but let's go and wait here. So let's see how much I will wait. So already past 2-3 minutes. I don't have too much time to I basically explain everything, how the platform works. So let's see the withdraw. So let's see how much I will wait. Coin is already on the account. So this is the notification I just got. This is the notification from the Bitcoin platform. So this is the amount I withdraw. So they was very quick. Thanks, great team of MindLab. So I didn't mention that the 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 minimum withdrawal amount here is just 0.0001 Bitcoin. That's approximately $3, guys. That's not a lot. So whatever you invest, the minimum withdrawal amount is very little. So basically I spent all my time on to make a video. So if you have some question, come to my Telegram group, I will explain. So also I think I received the mail. Also you get an email. I think I see the platform is little bit changed. They updated recently, so I don't know what is new before you get email from them. But never mind, I got the payment, so that's the important. So this was a live withdraw. So if you have if you have some question, come to my Telegram group, I will help you. So that was all. Bye, and happy earnings.